Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Now, I hope you all remember me that who I am. You remember my voice or not? I am your teacher from first standard, right? So, as you know, I am your teacher Mubasira Miss from Mahdi School, and you learn many things in first standard, right? So I hope you all remember me. So today we revise our topic of house, right? So which we learn in first standard. So today we learn about house, that why we need house, and I hope you all remember me, right? So let's start our today's lecture. Today we revise topic of house, that why we need house. You already have lesson number 7. It is about house and clothing, right? So today we revise that why we need house. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful picture. Here you can see the picture of 3 persons. Now what you see on your screen? There are 3 people and the head of these people are locked. Right? So 2 people's head are locked. When one people, you can see the lock is open. Now you tell me that why this lock is open? Because 2 are sitting. And the third one is reading book. Third one is learn from book. So now what you learn from this picture? You learn that if you read good book, if you learn, then your head lock is open, right? So because of learning, you get broad mind, right? So you must have to learn many type of books, not only your study books. You must have to read other books of general knowledge and many other things. It is not compulsory that you are only read books. You can read newspapers also, magazines also, right? So with this beautiful picture, what you learn? You learn that you must have to read good books and you must have to study very carefully, right? So with this picture, let's start our today's lecture. So today we learn about house. So I show you some picture of house. Here you can see the picture of house, different type of house which you already learn. So today we learn about house, that why we need house, what is importance of house in our life, that why we need house. I know that you already learn about this. We just revise our first standard revision of house because you already learned about housing and clothing in first standard. So today we revise this topic of house. So let's start our today's lecture and let's see what we learn today. Thing we learn today is why we need house. So when we read this word house, right? So today we learn that about house, and house is the word. From this word we can understand a place where we all are living. Right now you all are in house, right? So let's learn about house, that why we need house. If we not have house, then what happen with us, right? So with this, let's start our first topic. So let's learn something about house. Now you can see on your screen, what is this? It is house. I put here one picture of house, but when we see our house is different from this house. So when I told you about different type of animals, that animals need some places where they are living, like that we human beings also need house to live in, right? So when I say that about house, so here you can see the picture of one house, but you have to keep in your mind your own house. Then you can understand that what is house. So now imagine how is your house, how it's look. Maybe you have balcony in your house, you have terrace in your house and many other things, right? So you can understand that it is a picture of one house, but it is not our house, it is just example of house. So first thing we learn in this lesson is why we need house. So when you learn this lesson, you understand that house is very important for us. As you know that all living things need three things, which are the air, water and food. And the fourth thing after these three things living things need is house or shelter. So in lesson number 5 and 6 we learn about shelter, right? So with this house we understand that if animals need shelter to live in, like that we all need shelter to live in. So our shelter is our house. It means the place where people or animals are living. We called it shelter, we learn, right? So it is picture of house where human beings are living. So with this let's start. First thing, when we see the picture of house, we think in our mind that why we need house, right? So first thing, when you see that you are in house, so why you are in house right now? Because of one virus, we all are in home, right? So there is lockdown from March and this month is December. So because of lockdown we all are in house. And why we are in house? Because of our safety, right? So house keep us safe from many things. So today we learn that why we need house, right? So let's see that why we need house. All of us need a place to live in. Now imagine if you don't have house, then what happen with you? You can live peacefully. If you lost in forest, and we all know that we don't have house in forest, right? So what happen with you? You cannot go in your house, right? So if you not have house, what happen with you? You cannot feel safe. On road you feel safe? Yes or no? No. Right? So we all need house to live in. Wherever you are living, if you are living in other city, if you are living in other country, you need house to live in. When you are coming to school in morning, you are going tuition and many other places, but at night you all are going to home. So why we need house? Because we need rest, we need sleep, we are eating food in our house. So that's why we all need house to live in. All of us need a place to live in. Not only human beings, but animals also need house to live in. They are making their own house. Some animals found their house, right? So we already learned this. Then the house protect us from heat, rain, wind, dust and animals. So now you can understand that why we need house. We need house because house protect us from heat, rain, wind, dust and animals. We cannot live in forest safely. Why? Because you can see that there is so many animals, right? Because they all are wild animals. Remember we learned that tiger and lion are wild animals and dangerous animals. They can kill us, they can eat us. So we can feel safe in house from wild animals, our enemies, and we feel safe from heat means sunlight, right? In summer, rain in monsoon. When it's raining, you are going in rain for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour. After then, you are going in your house. Why? Because you want to feel safe, right? Then wind, storms, right? So we learn about storms, right? So this storm is because of wind, and it is very dangerous for you. That's why we need house. So house protect us from heat, rain, wind, dust and animals. Then a house gives us shelter and keeps us safe. People live in different type of house. As I told you, that different type of people living in different type of house. When you are going in other states, the house is different from us. When you are going in hilly areas, the house of these hilly areas are different from us, because when rain in hilly areas, what happen? Because of rain, the house will fall down if there is terrace, right? So in hilly areas there is roof, right? So you can understand that different type of people living in different type of house. So why we need house, you can read here points that all of us need a place to live in. We need house to live in. House protect us from heat, rain, wind, dust and animals, which we learn in this lesson and in this lecture, right? And house give us shelter and keep us safe. People live in different type of house. Now let's learn something more different and more about house. Now first you can see here why we need house. You can see here house and you can see here one boy. So when this boy is playing 2 hours, 3 hours, going school, going in tuition. So when this boy play and study, going school, tuition, and after then, why this boy need house? For feeling safe, that now I can safe here. So why we need house? First thing, let's see that what happened with this boy. So here is house, and after when he complete his school, tuition and play and all these things, why this boy need house? To live in. So here you can see the boy is going in his house. So you can understand that first thing why we need house is we need house to live in, right? So in morning this boy again start his day, but we need house to live in. Understand that first why we need house? We need house to live in. So here you can see the picture of one house where we all are living. So you are living in your house. Some people live in flats, some people live in big house, right? So you can understand that we need house to live in, right? So when you are going in other city, you need house to live in. You stay in hotels or your relatives home or any other place. So wherever you are going, you need house to live in. So first thing we learn that we need house to live in, right? The thing we learn that a house is an important place where we all live. So we all are living in house. A house protect us from heat. So heat means sunlight. So because of heat, we need to going in our home. So in afternoon, in summer, you can understand that why we need house. because in summer you cannot going outside, especially in afternoon. So that's why we all need to go in our house. So first thing we learn that house is an important place where we all are live in. And second thing we learn, a house protect us from heat. Now heat means sunlight. In summer we all are in our house. Why? Because of heat waves. So let's see. Here you can see the picture of sun. In summer, in winter also, in monsoon also. Because of heat of sun, we all are going inside our house. So here you can see the picture of sun in afternoon, right? So let's see here again boy, and the boy is on road, and because of sunlight he feel tired, right? So now where this boy is going? From this sunlight or heat of sunlight. In afternoon, if there is no school, you all are in your house. So here is house and too much of heat, too much of sunlight. Now boy feel tired and going inside the house, right? So house protect us from heat of the sun. In summer also, in winter also, in monsoon also. So because of heat we fall ill, right? So we need to save from this heat. So what we learn second thing, that here now you can understand the boy is inside house and the sunlight not harm to this boy, right? So because of heat we fall ill, right? So what we learn, keep us safe from hot sun or heat of the sun. So when you are going on terrace in afternoon in summer, then you not feel well. Why? Because of heat, right? So that's why the house keep us safe from hot sun and heat waves also. In summer we all know that heat waves, right, in atmosphere. So if you want to feel safe in summer, you must have to sleep in afternoon in your home, right? So house keep us safe from hot sun. A house protect us from wind. A house also protect us from cold and rain. Here you can see the picture of wind. Now, if there is wind blow and we called it storm, right? So because of storm, many trees and many buildings and many things are damaged. So when you hear about storm, then you can understand. So when it's heavy rain on road where we are going, we feel safe in our house. If we are not near our house, then we find a place where we are stay safely, right? So a house protect us from wind. A house also protect us from cold and rain. So now with these pictures you can understand that how it is dangerous if we are not living in our house. So here you can see the picture of snowfall, right? So in some places on earth in winter there is snowfall. So here you can see the picture of snowfall, and because of that we feel cold. Because of that in winter we all are in our house. In our city there is no snowfall, but we all are feel coldness in atmosphere. So from this coldness, how we feel safe? let's see. One boy is again on road. There is snowfall. Now from this picture you can understand that if you stay on road in snowfall for 10 or 20 minutes, what happen with you? You feel cold and you fall ill, right? So where this boy is going again? Going inside the house, right? So now the boy is safe. So with this you can understand that why we need house to live in and how this house keep us safe from all type of weather, right? So house keep us safe from cold. In winter we feel safe because of house. Now imagine if there is snowfall, if there is no snowfall and you are living on road in winter, what happen with you? You will freeze after some time, right? And because of that you get so many disease also, and it is very dangerous for you. So house keep us safe from cold, right? So here you can see the picture of snowfall, and in snowfall the boy is now safe in his house. So you can understand that why we need house and what is importance of house. So house keep us safe from heat, keep us safe from cold, right? Now let's see next thing. Right here you can see the picture of rain, and you can understand now the rain, and because of this rain there is water outside of the house, but inside house there is no water. Why? Because the house keep us safe from rain, right? So let's see other thing. What is this? It is picture of rain, right? So you can understand it is rain. Now again this boy is out of the house. In monsoon the boy is on the road. He is playing and suddenly start rain. Now where this boy is going? When you are playing on road in monsoon and if rain start, what happen with you? What you are doing? You run and going in your home, right? So where this boy is going? In house, right? So the boy is running and going inside the house. So now you can understand that house again keep us safe from rain. So now you see that there is rain but the boy is inside the house. So that's why this boy is now safe. So next thing we learn that house keep us safe from rain. Understand that when it is rain, and if it is heavy rain, then we all know that we all are not going out of the house. Why? Because of rain many areas are covered with rain. So we must have to stay inside our house in monsoon. Why? Because maybe it is dangerous for us and our family, right? So house keep us safe from the rain. The next thing, what is this? It is wind. When wind blow very fast, it is very dangerous, right? So because of this wind, maybe we throw in air. You can see here the trees are in which situation? Because of wind, right? So generally in monsoon this type of storms and wind you can see on road. So when you are on road and if there is wind very fast, then where you are going? You must have to going in your house. Why? Because it is very dangerous for you. Because of this wind many trees are fell down, right? So here again this boy is playing. Now suddenly start wind. We called it storms also. So when it is storm, our country is shut down, right? So this boy is on road and the wind blow very fast, right? So where this boy is going? Boy is find his house and run very fast and going inside. Why? Because maybe this dangerous wind take this boy with wind, right? And throw anywhere. So when if there is wind on road or anywhere, we must have to go inside our house. So now what we learn next thing, that house keep us safe from wind. If there is normal wind, if there is breeze, you can understand that it is okay. But if wind start blowing very fast, then what happen with you? You will be in danger situation. So that's why when you feel not good on road in any season, you must have to going inside the house. Picture of the home protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind. In first picture you can see snowfall, in second picture you can see heat of the sun, in third picture you can see house protect us from rain and wind. So now you can understand that the home protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind, right? So you can understand that how the house is important for us. Then what you see on your screen, it is lion. It means it is very dangerous animal, right? So now just imagine if you lost in forest, if you are in zoo, right? So it is not safe for you, right? Understand? So lion is very dangerous animal. Not only lion, many other dangerous animals are on this world. We already learn about animals, right? Here you can see the picture of animals. You can see lion, you can see elephant, giraffe, tiger, right? So these all are wild animal. We called it wild animal. Why? Because these all are living in forest and they are dangerous for us. So now you can understand that these all are wild animal and these all are dangerous, right? So let's see from these animals what we learn. Here is the picture of animals which are in forest. And as we learn that animals which are living in forest are dangerous animal. And what happened with this boy? Let's see. Boy is lost in forest. And how this boy will be safe. Now just imagine if there is dog behind you, then what you do? You run fast. And where you are going? You are going in school? Or you are stay there on road and wait that dog bites you? No. So what you are doing? You run very fast and going in your house. So house protect us from wild animals. Understand? Why I show you the picture of wild animals? If you want to stay safe from animals, where you are going? You are going in your house. We all are living in cities, right? But some people are living in village near farm. So they are making one house in farm, and because of these animals they safe in their house in farm, right? So house keep us safe from wild animals. Not only wild animals but other animals like cow and buffalo and dog which we see around our house. So because of their we all are run very fast and going inside our house. So now you can understand that why house is important for us. So today we learn about house. Our house is very important for us. So what we learn, first thing we learn that we all need house to live in. House is one of the safe place where we all are living. Then we learn that house keep us safe from wild animals. Not only wild animals, other animals also which can be harm us, right? Then house keep us safe from rain. So now you can understand that why we need house. We learn that one boy is standing on road and if rain start, boy will run fast and going inside the house. Then house keep us safe from cold also in winter also, and house keep us safe from heat of the sun also, right? So house keep us safe from wild animals, rain, cold, heat and wind, right? So these all things we learn about house, right? So I hope you all understand what we learned today, and I hope you all enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.